This is an important figure called impedance triangle. It is the right angle triangle shown in figure, in which base is represented by resistance, perpendicular is represented by reactance, and hypotenuse is represented by impedance. From this right angle triangle, which is impedance triangle, tan phi will be equal to x by r. From here, phi will be equal to tan inverse x by r. Similarly, we can find cos phi, which is power factor. Cos phi will be equal to r by z. Now, there are three types of power in alternating circuit. One is active, another is reactive, and the combination is apparent. Active, reactive, and apparent power. So active power is the power which is actually consumed in the circuit. Generally represented by Vi cos phi, and also represented by I square R. Reactive power is the power because of the reactance of the circuit, which is represented by Vi sin phi. And apparent power is the complex combination of active and reactive power. Active power is the power which is actually consumed in the circuit, denoted by P. Unit is watt, also known as real power. P equal to Vi cos phi or I square R. Reactive power is the power taken by the reactance of the circuit, denoted by Q. The unit is volt ampere reactive. Q equal to Vi sin phi or I square X. Apparent power is given by the product of RMS values of voltage and current, denoted by S. Unit is volt ampere. S equal to V into I, or S equal to I square Z, where Z is impedance in ohms. This is V into I, then V equals to IR, but in case of AC circuit, V equal to IZ. Then substituting the value of V in this, we get IZ into I, which is I square Z. So, quick summary of the power: active power Vi cos phi, reactive power Vi sin phi, apparent power Bi or P plus JQ. As said earlier, it is the complex combination of active and reactive power. like impedance triangle, here we have power triangle. In impedance triangle, that was a right angle triangle where perpendicular was x, base was r, and hypotenuse was z. By comparing this, we can also draw power triangle easily. Perpendicular is denoted by x, and related to x we have the power, reactive power, therefore it is I square x, and related to r we have I square r, which is Vi cos phi or active power, therefore base is active power, and related to z we have hypotenuse and apparent power here. So we can remember both the way at the same time. So the power triangle, all the three powers S, P and Q can be represented in a triangle called the power triangle. Here by Pythagoras theorem, S is equals to under root P square plus Q square, and phi equals to tan inverse Q by P. Power factor. Power factor is the cosine angle between voltage and current. Also it is the ratio of resistance and impedance, which is R by Z. Another relation for power factor is from the power triangle, which is P by S. Here P is active power and S is apparent power. Quality factor is the reciprocal